In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your edit styling for options and what that means. So here's my Halloween cookbook. I'll go over and hit this little edit button next to the page. This is on every single page, but for now we're going to try it on a recipe page, and I'll show you this edit styling for all pages or this page only. These are your two options. Now this means if I change the font here from Laura to Railway, and I say all pages, this is going to change that font on every single recipe page in my book. If I only want to make that change on this page, I'm going to drop this down to this page only and hit save, and it will only change this page. This goes for anything, even if you have right here, I have a story page about my spooky Halloween family. I can go in here and change this to Pacifica. I can change it to anything I want, and as long as I hit this page only, it will only change this page, this story page's text. It won't change it on any other story page in my book. So that's the difference between these two. Very important to note, especially if you're changing the font size or anything like that. Just really, really important to make sure you know the difference between the two and when to use each one.